Okay, so this is Dan York, and I'm here at the Bits and Bytes reception of IETF 86 in Orlando, Florida, and I'm here with Mark Townsley. So Mark, could you perhaps just introduce yourself and say what you're doing?
Hi, my name is Mark Townsley. I work at Cisco Systems. I'm the Homenet Working Group, one of the co-chairs of the IETF Homenet Working Group here, and I want to tell you a little bit about what we've got running here.
All right, so first of all, though, before we get to that, what is Homenet? What is it trying to solve? What problem is it looking at?
Right. Homenet, like the name says, implies, we're working on home networking. Okay, so the network in the home is getting more and more diverse, more and more ways to connect your home, more and more devices in the home. They're getting more and more complex, and we want to be prepared for that. As well as IPv6 comes into the home, whether it's the Internet of Things or your ISPs, you have more than one ISP, we want to make the home network itself to work better and be part of the internet, not just something that can allow devices to connect to the internet. We want the home itself to operate as a really cohesive, scalable network itself, which in turn connects to the internet at large.
Okay, so we've got a demo here of a bunch of boxes, so tell me what I'm seeing here.
You're seeing a spaghetti of cables here, which is basically to show that Homenet routers can be connected in any which way.
Yeah, it looks a lot like the back of my desk.
Right, it really doesn't matter how you connect it. Also, we've got two cable modems, not just one. So what we're working on is the ability for the home network to actually have multiple broadband connections or a wireless connection together with a broadband connection, etc., and to be able to operate in that kind of multi-connected, multi-provider, multi-router environment.
Okay, so I've got my multiple connections, I've got these. Why do I have all these home routers?
Because even today, you may have more routers than you actually think. You have a router that's coming from your ISP, then you buy a router because maybe it's got better Wi-Fi connectivity or something like that, and you might connect it behind the router that your ISP gave you.
So we're thinking home router, Wi-Fi router, that type of thing, not a router you plug into to routing the BGP or something like that.
Absolutely not. These are ones that you go down to the store and you buy yourself or order off of Amazon or what have you.
Gotcha. Home router. All right.
Home router. All right. Exactly.
Okay. So what else are we seeing here?
So imagine you have one home router upstairs, one down in your basement, one out in the garden, etc. Right? Today, when you connect these together with IPv4, the way you sometimes can get, if you're lucky, you can get to the point where a device will actually get out to Google or to Facebook, but then you can't get to your printer. Right?
Yeah, I have this problem in my own house right now.
Right, especially if you then toss in a corporate VPN or something like that, and it even gets worse. So what we're trying to solve is to be able to have that cohesive, easy connectivity in the home while still being able to get to the internet.
Okay, so what is it?
That's why we have them within one.
So what's going on over here? Is it the same thing, another house?
So this is solving a very similar problem. It's called HipNet. It's a different group.
Oh, okay. So this is the Homenet. Okay.
This is the Homenet Working Group. This is the HipNet project. So they're targeting you'll see this one's connected to a single, this one's connected to double. This is a little bit more of an arbitrary topology. So we're solving a similar problem, maybe in a near-term and longer-term manner.
Okay, great. So where can people learn more about Homenet if they want to get involved and look at this?
So Homenet is a working group in the IETF, so you can go to the IETF homepage, find in your list of working groups, you can find Homenet as one of the working groups, join the mailing list, read our documents, get involved. The home network is something that probably touches just about anyone who has a home, at least, and we want to make this a solution that works for everyone.
Great. Well, I'm looking forward to having this solution because I've got a couple Wi-Fi routers in my home and I'd love to make this work. Thanks for your time, Mark.
It's on its way. Thanks.